Hey everyone, I'm so excited because tomorrow is a very big day. Look at the calendar. I'm getting married tomorrow. When we talk about a fixed plan in the future, like a wedding, we often use the present continuous tense. It's happening. I have everything organized. For instance, I am wearing my favorite tuxedo. It's all ready to go. And we have the rings. I am picking them up this afternoon. We've all confirmed all the details. Even the invitations were sent weeks ago. We are just waiting for our guests to arrive now. To use this structure, we usually add a future time word like tomorrow, next week, or at 5 p.m. Be careful, we don't say, I get married tomorrow. That is the present simple, and it's not correct for a specific personal arrangement. Instead, we use the present continuous. I am getting married tomorrow. This shows it's a solid arrangement. I've double checked everything. I am confirming the final details with the caterer right now. It's all set. So remember, use the present continuous subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing for your fixed future plans. You've got this.